Welcome to Employment and Education News. 32 junior engineering assistant, godown keeper, store assistant, office assistant post vacancy in RFCL NCL. Eligibility BSc, diploma, graduation. Age limit between 18 to 30 years for junior engineering assistant, store assistant, office assistant, and 18 to 35 years for engineering assistant and godown keeper. Last date for application 24 November 2021. 21 Group C post vacancy in Railway Recruitment Cell, Kolkata under sports quota. Eligibility 12th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 25 years as on 1/1/2022. Last date for application 11 December 2021. Salary as per pay level 2, 3, 4 and 5. 24 management trainee post vacancy in National Fertilizer Limited. Eligibility MBA, PG degree, MSc Agriculture with BSc Agriculture. Age limit maximum 29 years. Last date for application 23 November 2021. Salary as per pay scale 40,000 to 1,40,000 per month. 162 staff nurse nursing officer post vacancy in Department of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. Eligibility diploma in general nursing, BSc in nursing. Age limit between 18 to 37 years. Last date for application 27 December 2021. Application fees 1000 for general OBC EWS and 500 for SC and no fee for ex-servicemen. 72 ASI, HC Carpenter, HC Plumber, Constable post vacancy in Directorate General Border Security Force. Eligibility 10th ITA, Diploma in Draftsman Civil. Age limit 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 28 December 2021. 19 teacher Hindi 4, English 4, Sanskrit 2, Mathematics 2, Biology 1, History 1, Geography 1, Economics 1, Agriculture 1, Political Science 1, Commerce 1 post vacancy in Netarhat Vidyalaya Samiti, Netarhat. Eligibility graduate honors with BEd, MSc, MCom. Age limit maximum 40 years. Last date for application 30 November 2021. Application fees 500 for general OBC and 250 for EWS, SC and ST. Salary as per pay level 10. Walk-in interview in Naval Material Research Laboratory for 7 Junior Research Fellowship, Physics, Chemistry, Metallurgy and Mechanical. Eligibility BE or BTech in Metallurgy Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. Postgraduate degree in Physics, Chemistry with GATE or NET. Age limit maximum 28 years. Reporting time 9:30 am to 10:30 am. Date and time of interview 29 November 2021 11 am. 4 technical assistant, 1 senior assistant post vacancy in Center for Diploma in Advanced Computing. Eligibility graduation, diploma in engineering. Age limit maximum 35 years. Last date for application 12 December 2021. Salary as per pay level 6. Cantonment Board Committee vacancy for assistant teacher, Safai Karmachari, Melward servant. Eligibility 12th with diploma in elementary education for assistant teacher, 4th class passed for Safai Karmachari, 10th class passed for Melward servant. Age limit between 21 to 30 years as on 6 December. Last date for application 6 December 2021 5 pm. 13 postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman, multitasking staff post vacancy in Department of Post, Uttarakhand Circle under sports quota. Eligibility 12th pass. Age limit 18 to 27 years for postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 22 December 2021. Walk-in interview in Defense Research and Development Establishment for Junior Research Fellowship and Research Associate post. Eligibility BE or BTech in Textile, Polymer Science, Polymer Chemistry, MSc in Life Science, Geology, Biotechnology, Molecular Biology, Microbiology, Pharmacology, Toxicology, Immunology with NET or GATE for JRF, PhD in Biological Science for Research Associate. Age limit maximum 28 years for JRF and 35 years for Research Associate. 16 postal assistant, 13 sorting assistant, 28 postmen, 1 mail guard, 37 multitasking staff post vacancy in Department of Post, Kerala Circle under sports quota. Eligibility 12th pass. Age limit 18 to 27 years for postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman, mail guard, and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 3 December 2021. Indian Oil Corporation Limited vacancy for Trade Apprentice, Technician Apprentice. Eligibility ITI Diploma. Age limit between 18 to 24 years, age on 31 October 2021. Last date for application 4 December 2021. 102 postal assistant, sorting assistant, 113 postman, mail guard, 41 multitasking staff post vacancy in Department of Post, Maharashtra Circle under sports quota. Eligibility 12th pass. Age limit 18 to 27 years for postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman, and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Last date for application 27 November 2021. Thanks for watching till the end.